It's Friday, February 23rd. Got a little gift for you. Okay, lots of people suffer from lower back pain, lower back problems, and you wake up in the morning, it's like, oh man, who the heck stepped on me, and that type of thing. What was I doing last night? There's a phenomenon called plasmoid. Now, if you look on the Google net, you Google plasmoid, you're going to see something from on Wikipedia that a plasmoid is a plasma type of energy which sits within the electromagnetic field of the earth. So, and of course, we are humans, we have an electromagnetic field. So this plasmoid is like a stagnant ball of energy that kind of sits there, and it kind of sits in the lower back area. So what it does is it draws energy from your lower back, it draws energies from your adrenals. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to clear this out, and then we're going to make the intent to align all of the discs in your lower back. And you tell me if things ease up in your lower back at all. Let's get started. Okay, now within everyone who's watching, within the electromagnetic field of all people watching, plasmoid false. Within the electromagnetic field of everyone watching, plasmoid false. Discharge the plasmoid from the electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic field of everyone watching, plasmoid false. Plasmoid false. That is starting to move. Plasmoid false. Okay, now, within everyone watching, within the lower lumbar, all lumbar discs, true. Lumbar discs, true. Lumbar discs, true. Now, return all lumbar discs to the normal size, shape, and position within the spinal column. The size, shape, and position of lumbar discs, true. Now, lower lumbar alignment, true. Lumbar vertebrae, lumbar alignment, true. Lumbar alignment, true. Okay, so here's a really good example of using the tools, your intent, using true quantum healing to figure all this out, what's causing these problems. And a little bit of research never hurts either. This is one very big cause of lower back pain, which basically everybody has. So leave some comments. Let me know what you think. I want to hear back from you. I've been using this technique on all kinds of people with lower back pain, and it really seems to do the trick. And we're always going upward and onward and finding new ways to get those aches and pains out of you, just so you can enjoy life again. All right. This is Chris Kaler. We're out.